Hello everyone, I'm Ariana Andrade. This is my second semester at Fresno State. I transferred in spring from Porterville College. I am majoring in liberal studies, but I'm also considering on doing a double major on child development. So we'll see how that goes. What is my favorite holiday and why? My favorite holiday is definitely Christmas. This is because almost every December we go to my parents' hometown in Mexico and the entire family gets together. We share funny stories. It's just like a small tradition we have. What would I do if I won the lottery? I think the first thing I would do would finish paying up my car because I still kind of owe a lot. After that, depending on how much I have left, I'll probably make it into like a down payment for a house or even possibly getting another car. It just depends on everything. Hope you guys all stay safe this semester and enjoy it. Thank you.